If there's one phone that truly stood the test of time, it's the Samsung Galaxy A71. Originally launched as a mid-range device, this phone still feels surprisingly premium even in 2025. Today on Tech Unbox Pro, we're going to talk about why the Galaxy A71 continues to impress and whether it's still worth your attention in this modern smartphone era. First, let's talk about the design. The Galaxy A71 is a perfect example of how Samsung balanced simplicity with style. The back panel has a subtle gradient finish that catches the light beautifully. The curved edges make it comfortable to hold, and even though it's been a few years, the phone's design still feels current. The glass-like back combined with a slim body gives it that premium flagship look that many mid-range phones still struggle to achieve. Now turning to the display, Samsung's Super AMOLED Plus panel never disappoints. The 6.7-inch Full HD Plus display on the Galaxy A71 still delivers rich colors, deep blacks, and an overall immersive viewing experience. Watching videos, scrolling through social media, or playing games feels vibrant and smooth. Even today, this display competes with some new models that cost almost double. The brightness levels are impressive, making outdoor visibility excellent. Powering the Galaxy A71 is the Snapdragon 730 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM. For everyday tasks, this phone runs effortlessly smooth. Whether you're multitasking between apps, editing photos, or streaming videos, the performance feels stable and responsive.